Let's learn the verb to go.
In the present,
And in the past.
if it's happening now, say go or goes.
If it's done, say went. Ready?
1, 2,
3.
let's go! I go to school.
I go.
That's now in the present.
I went to school.
I went.
That's in the past.
You go with me.
You go.
That's now in the present. You went with me.
You went.
That's in the past.
He goes to the beach.
He goes. That's now in the present.
He went to the beach.
He went. That's in the past. She goes to the park. She goes.
She goes.
That's now in the present.
She went to the park.
She went. That's in the past. It goes outside. It goes.
That's now in the present.
It went outside. It went.
That's in the past. We go together.
We go.
We go.
That's now in the present.
We went together.
We went. That's in the past.
They go home.
They go.
That's now in the present.
They went home.
They went
That's
in the past.